Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io offline mode not working issues in 2026. So if you're unable to open diagrams without internet, offline mode is not activating, or files keep asking for connection, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure offline mode is actually enabled in Draw.io settings. If it is turned off, the app will always try to use online mode. Next, check whether you previously saved the file for offline use. Some files must be opened once online before they can work offline. Now verify that your browser or desktop app supports offline storage. If storage permissions are blocked, offline mode will not work properly. Next, clear your browser cache if you are using the web version. Corrupted cached data can prevent offline files from loading correctly. Now try opening Draw.io while you are still online first, then disconnect and test offline mode again. This helps sync required resources. Next, check your browser storage settings and make sure site data is allowed. Blocked storage can break offline functionality. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with local storage and offline access. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version because older versions may not fully support offline features. Now restart your browser and try opening the diagram again without internet access. Finally, if the issue continues, reinstall Draw.io or reset browser settings and re-enable offline mode from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io offline mode not working issues. Now your diagrams should open smoothly even without internet. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.